Hi, today I will show you a cool little package for charging any USB device. It is a small pocket size box, and what's inside of it? The first thing is that here on the sides there are USB cables, and you can pull it out and you have about 1 meter USB-C to C cable ready. But what if you want to charge something else that doesn't have a USB-C? Here, I will make it smaller to make it better in the camera. Here inside, you can open it, and you have many adapters. If you have a USB-A charger, you can change the input from the USB-C to USB-A, like that. And if you need other output that you need USB-C, you can take the microSD adapter, put it here, and now you have from USB-E to microSD cable. Or you can even put the lighting adapter, and you can charge an iPhone from USB-E to the iPhone, or from the USB-C to the iPhone. You can really easily adjust the cable to the current needs to the device that you want to charge. And also there is this little metal pin device to take a SIM card out from your phone. So this is an additional bonus that sometimes you may need it and you will have it in your pocket. And also there are 2 slots for an additional SIM card and from the additional microSD card. So you can put it here. You may not need it, but if you would, you can put it in one box and have one little box, everything that you need for your phone, for your smartwatch, for a tablet, for any device that you can charge with the USB. And also there is something that you can pull it out. I don't know what is it for, but it has something to do, because they wouldn't make it if it wouldn't give anything. But I don't know what is it for, so you can write in the comments what is this additional function, what you can do with it. Maybe a phone stand? I'm not sure. Write in the comments. And this is what I have for you today. Like, subscribe, and be nice.